Hey guys, so I'm here and I have my dual knob control drip irrigation kit. So I'm just going to kind of show you guys how it works in here so that you know how it works. So here we go. We got the control device itself. And so this lets you, set it to how long you want it. And this is hours or days. And then this is the minutes right here. And this is so high, long, and then how often, and then how long. So if I want to do every 6 hours, have it go for 30 seconds, then that'll do that, or however I'd like it. Or if I just click here, that'll let you do it manually. So I'm going to open this up and show you guys kind of how it works. Okay. So this is obviously if you want to hang it somewhere, you can put this and mount it somewhere and hang it onto the corner of a pot or something of that sort. And then it's nice so what it comes with is it has all the wiring here. Well, not the wiring, sorry, the hose itself. And so this is super long. And so you can plug it into here and have it go. It comes with the little spout. So what you do with these is you plug these into here and then it'll drip from there as well. So you could run it super far and have it dripping as well. And I'm just gonna show you guys kind of the basics of it. And it's nice, it comes with a bunch of zip ties and everything for that. So I'm going to kind of show you guys how it works from here, the in and the out. So let's this will go on here. And what you do is you cut the wire, or not the wire, but you cut it for however much you need. I'm just grabbing scissors real quick. So what you do is you cut it for however much you need of it. So I'm gonna angle this down a little bit right there so you guys can sort of see. So if I wanna cut it right here, there we go. And so this is the in. So the in, I'll push on there, and I would put it in whatever water source I have. So I'm gonna just show you guys this by putting it in here for you guys. Let me just twist it around in there a little bit. Okay, there we go. So that's the in, and then you can use it for whatever you want, for however far you wanna go, however short you wanna go. And that's the nice part about this, is you get to make it whatever you need. It's not some set how far it is or anything like that. And the nice thing is it comes with all these. So this is actually how it drips. It comes with a little filter here too, if you need. And it comes with all the accessories here. So that's the good part. And so I'm just gonna show you guys, I'm gonna put it on the out here. And so I'll put this in here. And then if I wanted to, I just kind of want to show you guys that it works. So let's do 15 seconds. So there we go. I can hold this and turn it on. And so, it'll start spewing. I'll have it spew back into here. There. So there you go. You see it's pulling from there through this and going back in there for the amount of time I set. So I just turned it back off. And so you get to set however long you want it. If you want it to go once a day for 30 seconds, or 3 minutes, once every 2 days, once every 6 hours. You can set that on here and that'll go. And I just showed you guys how it works. And the nice thing is you can set this up to however many kind of spaces you want it. So what you do is you can plug it into this hole, and then you can cut a new one and then plug it into that. And so then how it works is you have multiple sources. So, okay, it stops at this one, and then it goes to the next one, and then I cut it again, and then I put another one on it, so then it'll go there as well. So then it'll drip all over your garden for you based on what time you want this to go. So this is perfect, and I like it comes with zip ties too, so you can zip tie it all together. It's got these little stakes, so you can stake in the ground your water and make it look really nice on the garden. So that's perfect, and I would definitely give this a thumbs up. As you saw, it just worked, and it's perfect, and for my garden, this will be perfect.